Hey guys, this is Abs. I'm going to be taking you through a quick demonstration of our new Tumblr theme, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get your hands on this and how you can work with the theme as well. So here's the theme, guys. As you can see, we've got one nice Google AdSense block there. It can be either Google AdSense or it can be your own image, and we've got a nice timeline there for add us to your timeline, and another banner there we can put in there. We've got an opt-in form here, guys. Again, all you have to do if you want to be using this opt-in form is replace the code inside of here, which I'm going to be showing you now, with your own Aweber, GetResponse, Imnica Mail, whatever opt-in code. And down here, guys, is the description area where we can actually enter our links or whatever we wanted, and we also have a sticky post as well. So this is my sticky post, and we can have contextual links there, and no matter when we post another picture or another post, that will remain towards the top. And as you can see, we've got another banner ad towards the bottom there as well. If I click on refresh here, you should see these banners change because it's actually Google AdSense. There you go. And it looks pretty cool. And when you go over to the notes section as well, guys, as you can see, we've actually got a little banner ad here as well. Give it a few seconds. I don't know why that's not showing up there. Maybe Google doesn't want to show anything. I'll click on refresh. Okay, all right, it looks like nothing's getting shown there. And you can actually navigate to different posts from here as well. So for example, on this one here, I'm not 100% sure why this is not showing in here. It should be showing our banners on here, our Google AdSense on here as well. What we can do, we can actually try this in Internet Explorer. There we go. As you can see in Internet Explorer, it's picked up the Google AdSense there. However, in Mozilla Firefox, for some reason, it's not picking up the Google AdSense. But as you can see, guys, we've got a banner towards the bottom, a banner towards the top, in the center. You can also remove these here, guys, and have these be banners as well. If you click on these here, guys, as you can see, you can share them with Facebook and you can share it with Facebook and tweet it as well. Now we've also got a trending tab as well, guys. Now what this allows you to do is actually add the trending tag or add a tag called trending to any of your posts, and it will get placed in here. Now you might be asking, why is it taking so long? How comes I haven't had this theme out to you sooner? I'm sure you can agree that it is a cool theme. Now I'm going to let you know, guys, you can have it for free. I'm not going to be charging anything for this theme. And the whole reason behind it is because the developers messed me around quite badly. Now, I actually went from one developer to the other developer. I think I've had like 3 Tumblr theme developers now trying to get this theme done for me. We're nearly there, you know, as far as this is concerned, we're nearly there. However, there's a slight few issues that I've noticed when installing them on different Tumblr blogs as well. So I'm going to try and install a theme. I'm going to try and install this theme with you now and show you this working, and show you any issues that we face along the way. So here's one of my Tumblr accounts here, guys, and I'm going to change this and add that theme in here. Give me 2 moments. Okay, what I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be using the PR traffic booster and adding this custom theme in, because we already know how to do that. I'm going to be adding this custom theme manually inside of Tumblr itself. Okay, so I'm logged into my blog here, guys. As you can see, I've got 60 in the queue. I've got a few posts in here. It's a fairly new blog. Now, I'm going to go over to my actual blog. Let me just navigate over to the blog. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Customize. And then I'm going to go over to Edit HTML. Now, the very first thing I'm going to do is pull up my PRTV folder, and here's the theme here. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to copy this theme, Control A, Control C, go over to my customized Tumblr, Control A and Control V in here, and I'm going to click on Update Preview. And straight away, guys, as you can see, that has updated the preview for us. Fantastic. And what I'm going to do is click on Save, and I'm just going to show you exactly how this looks. Appearances, Save, and Close. And as you can see, we got exactly the same theme that we were just talking about. Now, as you can see, there's a few issues on here that I can see straight away. Firstly, I don't want this many images on the home page. So what we'll do, we'll keep this page on here, and we'll go over to the Customize pages here. Okay, and we're going to go over to Edit HTML, and as you can see from here, what we're going to do, what we'll do first is, before we go over to Edit HTML, we'll go and remove these images so we don't have too many images on one page. We'll actually place 3 images on the page. Now you can actually change the colors here as well, guys. So you do the header background colors, the outside link cover colors, and the site background colors. So there's quite a few options that you do have on here that you can change as well. You can also add scrolling text and whatnot you as well, guys. Now if you want to add the scrolling text, moving text, here we go. If I check that there, sorry, let that refresh. Okay, I don't think it's actually showing any differences on there. Okay, no worries on that there. We'll let that be, but we'll have a look at the advanced options, and we'll show 3 posts per page. Fantastic. And we'll click on save. Now your social sharing links and everything, guys, are going to go down here. You've got an area for your social sharing links here, and the timeline details and everything down here as well. Now, as you can see here, we've got 3 options here. We've got a number of options here: banner, footer, banner, header. Now, both of them are not going to work, guys. And the whole reason they're not going to work is because I've added Adsense, and I'm going to be giving you 2 themes. One where these images will work, so you can actually upload them, and one where it's not going to work. The sidebar banner will work, so all you have to do is enter or click on upload and enter your sidebar banner there. Let's see if we can actually find one. Okay, I can't find any images there, not to worry, but that's exactly how you'd actually upload the images if you want to add an image there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, right, we've just changed that over to show 3 images. I'll go over here and I'll click on refresh. And as you can see, we've got 3 images in here now. So that's much better. It makes it look much nicer as well. So I mean, look at that. We've got 25 likes here. And now they're all going to be able to see our banners on there as well. And they can navigate through our posts as well, which is fantastic. You also have the previous links, the next links down here as well. Okay, let me show you how to get a lot of these things changed. Now, what we need to do, guys, is go over to edit HTML. The very first thing that you should be doing is looking for pub ID. Okay, so I'm going to do a Control F, and I'm going to do PUB, and I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see, we've got Google Ad Client, and it's got my pub ID in there. When I give you over this theme, guys, I'm going to have my publisher ID removed. All you have to do is enter your own publisher ID in here from Google AdSense, and that will add your AdSense banners in 3 places. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this under the banner header, and it closes off on the banner header as well. So it's commented, guys, so as long as you can understand the comments on here, you should be able to find your various sections in here as well. If you go down, or if you just press Control F again and find the next one, then you've got another one called banner post, and near banner post, guys, we should find the Google AdSense button here as well. Okay, here it is, the banner page. There's a Google AdSense there, and that's the banner post for some reason. But then we should have one more in here as well, and here we go, and that's the banner footer. So that's the footer banner, and there's your pub ID. So all you'll have to do is replace your publisher ID, guys. And in regards to this form here, it's very simple to actually change. I'll show you how we can change that. Okay, so what I've done, guys, I've actually got the code from the HTML editor here, and I've entered it into Dreamweaver. Now in Dreamweaver, it actually helps me find what I'm looking for much easier. So here's the opt-in form, guys. I can actually put it in here, and as you can see, we've got the class div ID class equals opt-in form. Now we could actually, what we'd be looking to do is removing all of these form tags. Okay, we're going to keep the div class equals opt-in form. So all you'll have to do is look for this here. Obviously, you can edit this inside of Dreamweaver or whatever you'd be editing it in first. Here we go, div class opt-in form. Okay, add opt-in code here and remove anything between form and form. So as you can see, I've actually commented this here. So here's form and here's form. So you remove all of these here and add in your opt-in code here, and your opt-in code will show up here. Now what you'd be wanting to do with this, guys, is obviously styling your opt-in form inside of Aweber, inside of GetResponse, inside of MailChimp, or whichever autoresponder that you're actually using. Okay, so this is how you get this to work. Oh, one more thing as well, guys. Let's show you how everything works here. Right then, when you want to add the trending page, then you'd actually go to advanced again, and sorry, go to pages and add a new page, and you call this page trending. Show a link to this page, yes, and fantastic, that's all we need to do. I think that's all we need to do. No URL specified. Trending. Looks cool. Save it over. Go over here. Go over to what's hot. And there we go. We've got the trending link come through on here. Now, I'm not 100% sure why that's got the what's on there, guys. I'll need to get that looked at. But I don't see that on here. See, it looks totally fine there. Let's have a look, see if we can do it on here. Here we go, what's new? Fantastic, we can actually themselves. What we'll do, we'll actually save this over now, and we'll go over, and I'm going to be giving you two themes, guys, two themes. One's going to be labeled Adsense theme, and the other one's going to be labeled without Adsense. And when you're not using Adsense, guys, then what you'll be doing is you will be uploading your footers, banners, images, and everything from here. Okay, so saving, close. I don't know why it's still saving over there. Okay, so here we go. We've got everything on here. Now, what I'm going to do is go over to Tumblr, go to a new post. And a new post, guys, what we need to do, it should be title sticky. We need a sticky tag in here as well. And this is my sticky post. And click on create post. And if I click on refresh, here's our sticky post, guys. And now this sticky post should not move as long as you've got that sticky tag in there as well, guys. This sticky post should remain at the top even when you actually make other posts. So in the same way that it does on here as well, guys. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, that come up towards the end. And you can have your contextual links in there as well, and it does really make it fun to work with. So anyway, you can have this theme, guys. You will need to play with it. You will need to familiarize yourself with it a little bit. However, it's yours for free, so I really hope you enjoy using it.